Hi, San! It's the last Monday of February, and today we're going on a trip to IKEA Slependen here in Norway. Time is running really fast these days, and in less than a week, we are going to move to a new home. Furthermore, I'm also 7 months pregnant. The nesting stage has begun, and my mind has been occupied by preparing for the coming of our little boy. Join us this day as we check out some stuff in IKEA. Hopefully, we will be more inspired and find furniture and stuff that we can use in our new home. The weather today is gray and wet. After several weeks with snow, ice, and freezing negative temperatures, spring is finally approaching. Just this week, we are promised with some positive degrees. The ice and snow are melting. It feels so nice to actually see the roads and the green surroundings again. Our county, Buskerud, is having winter holidays this week. That means vacation from school. Many Norwegians spend this time either in their cabins, skiing, enjoying the last traces of winter, or in countries near the equator where the sun is up, enjoying the beach and other cultural and touristic activities. The Swedish furniture company opened in 1943. As of today, it has 392 stores located in 32 countries. In Norway, the first branch was opened in 1963, and we have 7 IKEA stores. The closest one to us is IKEA Slependen, which is 33,000 square meters in size. I think we picked a good time to visit the store. Lots of empty spaces in the underground parking lot, and I assume fewer people in the store today because of the holiday. As it was late in the afternoon, we started with the famous IKEA meatballs. We also enjoyed the dime chocolate cake, super satisfied. We often start with the restaurant and use the time in the store to help digest what we ate. On the first floor are displays of IKEA furniture and other products, divided into the different rooms of your house. Here, you can get help from the staff in designing your rooms. You can also get lots of inspiration on how to decorate and arrange your IKEA home products. This is also where you can take note of the product number to make it easier to find them in the market area on the ground floor, or the big storage on the way to the counter. For today, I was particularly interested in comfortable chairs, sofa, office or hobby furniture, and stuff for the nursery room. We also checked out the TV and media tables, the cabinets and bookshelves, and the kitchen counters. An inspiration I've gotten here was to have the washing machine and the dryer elevated. I feel like it's going to be more practical and ergonomic than to have them standing on the floor. We are also going to buy a bed, so try the different mattresses you can buy here. I personally prefer the fast or less softer mattresses. You can mix and match the bed and mattresses according to your preferences. The last section was all about the nursery, some stuffed toys, and barn articled or baby products. After resting for a while, we moved on to the ground floor and grabbed a shopping cart, just in case we found something we could actually buy and carry home now. Before exiting, we made sure to visit the N Brooks Butiken or recycling section. This is where returned products go and where you can get them at cheaper prices. So, are you also a fan of IKEA? Which IKEA product or furniture is your favorite? Give us ideas and let us know in the comments. After paying, you can buy some frozen goodies like meatballs and cinnamon buns, as well as other consumables in this area and in the kiosk. I got some cinnamon buns, while my husband got some Swedish candies. It was a pleasant trip, and now we have an idea on what we want to purchase next week. Thank you for joining us, and as they say in Sweden, hej då or bye bye! Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more.